By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to use ChatGPT to skyrocket the amount of subscribers that you're getting on YouTube. In fact, I think a lot of you can actually double the amount of subscribers that you're getting. On top of that, I'm also gonna share with you how you can generate dozens of thumbnails for your videos, how to add automatic captions, and so much more, but that's coming later on in this video. In fact, you need to make sure that you're utilizing both ChatGPT and AI right now, because the YouTubers that are utilizing that are gaining way more subscribers than anybody else. I just helped this creator use AI to gain 150,000 subscribers, and they got monetized. And this creator over 400,000, and the same exact result. Both of these creators were able to get monetized, quit their full-time jobs, and pursue YouTube as a living simply because they implemented the tips from this video. But before we dive into it, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or you want to make money online, I literally upload a video about how to grow on all those platforms and how to do that every single day. So please make sure you're subscribed. Step number one, you need to make sure that you're using ChatGPT to create better titles on all of your old videos that died. If you didn't know, when a video dies on YouTube, it's because the click-through rate wasn't good enough or the watch time wasn't good enough. Now, if the watch time was fine and it was just the click-through rate, then here's what you need to do. You need to go into ChatGPT, feed it the title from old videos, and tell it to make the title better. That being said, you need to make sure that it's keeping the title under 55 characters, it's using powerful words, and it's doing it in a thought-provoking way. This is going to help you get more views on your old videos, because you could simply go change the title, have AI make a better title, and then guess what ends up happening? You end up getting more views, you're going to get monetized quicker, and ultimately you're going to gain more subscribers. And since the Shorts fund has just dropped, if you're in it, I strongly suggest that you implement this, because it's going to help you make more money on past Shorts. Because if you didn't know, the Shorts that you uploaded in the past are eligible for monetization, so it's something that you need to make sure that you're taking advantage of. The second way that you could generate new titles is simply put the intro of your content into ChatGPT and give it the same criteria. Say, hey, make a title for a YouTube video based on this intro. The reason being, if your intro and your title don't match up, people are gonna think that it's clickbait, and what they end up doing, they end up clicking off the video, which then tanks your watch time, and that is why your videos aren't getting views, and ultimately why you're not getting a lot of subscribers. That being said, you can also utilize AI to do several other different things. You can have it put automatic captions in your videos. You can have it make automatic music for your videos. You can even have it generate automated thumbnails for your videos. And if you want to learn how to do all that, I just created an AI course that you could get at the link in the pinned comment below. It is going to share with you all the different tools that you could be utilizing as a content creator, both on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Doesn't matter what platform you're creating for. Go to the link in the pinned comment below and get signed up for that right now. It is a limited launch right now, so only a few of you are going to be able to get into it, but those of you that do are going to be able to supercharge your content growth. If you want to know how the best YouTubers are taking advantage of AI to create their content quicker, to create better content, and ultimately to get more views and more subscribers, then you need to make sure that you get into this, because I'm telling you, if you aren't one of the first people to take advantage of AI, you are going to be left behind when it comes to content creation. The second thing you could have AI do, and ChatGPT in specific, is you can tell it to rephrase content that's already worked. So if you don't know the phrase, tell me the same thing, just a little bit better. That is essentially what content creation comes down to. Nobody on the internet is really making original content. Instead, what they're doing is repurposing content from somewhere else. It could be from a book, it could be from a movie, it could be from another video, it could be from one of their past videos. So what I strongly suggest that you do is take this script for your videos that have been successful on YouTube, type them in the ChatGPT and say, hey, make this better. You could even do it with different parts of the video. So you could do it with the hook of the video, you could do it with the outro, you could do it with the story that's being told, or whatever the case is. And this is going to help you create content way quicker. The reason being, if you're a successful YouTuber, and if you're not a successful YouTuber, here's a huge insight. You know that the actual time that you spend scripting your video is way more than the time that you spend actually recording your video. So ChatGPT is going to make this way easier, because you're going to tell it how to script your content. So instead of it taking you an hour to script a video, now it could take 5 or 10 minutes, because basically all you're going to be doing is utilizing ChatGPT to change things up, and then checking it, making sure that it makes sense, and making little tweaks, as opposed to starting with a brand new canvas that you need to start over with. On top of that, you can also do this with competitors' videos. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first thing, you want to go to ChatGPT, and for whatever niche you're in, you want to say, please give me the most search topics for XYZ niche on YouTube. Or please give me the most popular videos for XYZ niche on YouTube. Please give me the most popular titles for XYZ videos on YouTube. You can do this for fashion. It could be done for crypto. It could be done for real estate. It could be done for credit repair. It doesn't matter what it's for. So then ChatGPT is going to spit out a ton of ideas. Now, I don't want you to just take that for base example. Now, what I want you to do is go over to YouTube and validate those ideas. copy whatever ChatGPT gave you, be it a topic, be it a title, be it a popular video, search that into YouTube, and then from there, you're going to find a bunch of popular videos. Now what you could do is you could grab the link to that video, go over to youtubetranscription.com, type that in, it is going to spit out the full transcription of that video. Now from there, you can do the same thing that we were just talking about. You can go into ChatGPT and you could have it re-script videos. This is going to make your content way better because at the end of the day, YouTube is a competition. You're creating content about fashion, somebody else creating content about fashion. You're creating content about crypto, somebody else creating content about crypto. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, you have competition. And if you don't have competition, that's probably why you're not getting views and you're not getting subscribers. So you need to be in an area that has competition, ideally a lot of competition, and guess what that does? It allows you to grow. The reason being is because there's a lot of people consuming that content, and that's the type of stuff that YouTube is going to push out. So you need to rephrase it, make it better, and have AI do it so that you don't need to be some YouTube genius nowadays. You can literally have AI do it, and then it's your job just to create that video, edit that video, and press upload. Now, if you want to get guaranteed subscribers on YouTube right now, you need to go to the link in the description below, get into my YouTube mentorship program. There are only a few spots left, but I'm going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. There's absolutely no risk attached to it. You are going to get more views, get more subscribers, or you are going to get your money back. I'm going to tell you exactly what titles to use, what topics to use, what hashtags to use, what time to be uploading. We're even going to look at your analytics together to critique your content to improve it, because for a lot of you, it might not be that your title's bad, it might be your watch time's bad. Or not that your watch time's bad, but that you're uploading at the wrong time. We're going to solve all those things, get you more subscribers on YouTube, guaranteed. You heard that right. If you want to become a full-time YouTuber, you want to increase the amount of money that you're making from YouTube, or you want to make your first dollar from YouTube, you need to get into this. But like I said, there are limited spots available. So go to the link in the description of this video, get signed up right now. I cannot wait to see you over there. Or I strongly suggest you watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.